Yep.
Here we go. Banana. What is that? I know, it's brand new. This is our first time.
Oh, giant smile. I saw that. Wait for her to process it. I promise there's still some there, Mommy. How is she shoving all that in? Look on the surface. See that smile? She's still not sure what to do. Here it comes.
Yummy banana. Yeah. Oh, that is good, huh?
So gross.
Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. Here we go.
Oh, it's actually going down this time.
I know, it's a very different way of eating. Yeah, you've just never done it before. Daddy tried to do it a little bit with strawberries.
Yeah, that was more of a popsicle.
Are you ready?
A very not cold popsicle. That was a good face. It's like a reverse mustache.
No, no more. Okay. Good job. Oh, you did such a good job. Yes, you did. You did a good job. Yeah. Are you sure you don't want to try one more bite? Yeah, you're sticking your tongue out. You're done, but you did such a fabulous job. Yeah. Let's wipe you off again. Ooh, there's a mouth under there. Yay, Lily. 4 months. 4 months. Yeah. I know. Are you wanting a bottle now? Yeah, let's get the normal stuff, huh? Okay.
Is there a bottle made?
I don't know.
Okay.